Hi, my name is Adam Ware and I'm the ePortfolio Coordinator for Career Connect. In this video, I'm going to explain how to make more than one ePortfolio and why you might want to do that.
There may be a time when it's helpful to have more than one ePortfolio. You can do this by creating as many ePortfolios as you want to start with. But in addition to that, you can also copy ePortfolios that you like by clicking on the ePortfolio Actions button and clicking on Duplicate. This gives you a working copy of the portfolio you already had, and you can go in and edit it to make it so that it is specific to a company. In general, you only want to make multiple portfolios if you have a reason to send those portfolios to different people or different jobs. If the jobs require different things, you want to make sure your portfolio reflects the skills that you have that go with the job. And it's not just a portfolio that reflects your general skills. A portfolio that addresses the needs of the position is far more likely to help you get the job than a portfolio that just says, here's all the things I can do. This is why you might want to create multiple portfolios, and the system allows you to create as many as you need.
I hope you found that useful. In this next video, I'm going to show you how to share your ePortfolio. You can find the link to that video above.